Composting directly in your garden bed is actually very simple, and once you get the hang of it, it can save a lot of effort while keeping your soil healthy. The idea is to make a small composting unit right inside the bed using just 2 containers or pots. You don't need anything fancy. Plastic buckets, old storage containers, or even big bottles work fine, as long as they are strong enough to hold compost and stay intact underground. First, you take your 2 containers and stack them one over the other. To make sure they stay together and don't come apart later, we make holes where the containers overlap. You can use a hot iron rod for this, or anything that can safely make a small hole. Then, pass zip ties through these holes and tighten them. Now the 2 containers act like a single unit and won't separate when buried in the soil. Once that is done, remove the bottom of both containers. This step is important because it connects your compost to the soil below, letting nutrients and microbes move freely into the garden bed. Next, we prepare the lower container. This part is very important because it allows earthworms and other helpful creatures to move in and out. Make large holes in the sides of the lower container so worms can easily pass through. Earthworms do a lot of work in compost. They carry soil microbes into the compost, help break down material, and bring nutrients back to the surrounding soil. This little connection makes the compost much more effective. Now it's time to place the unit in the garden bed. Dig a hole just big enough for the composting unit. If the soil is wet, it actually helps, because wet soil is easier to pack around the containers and keeps everything stable. Put the unit in the hole, fill soil around the sides, and gently press it so it stays firmly in place. Your composting structure is now ready to use. Adding materials is very simple. Start with a layer of already made compost at the bottom, then add kitchen waste or garden scraps like chopped vegetables, fruit peels, or leaves. Then another layer of compost on top, and keep repeating this until the container is almost full. Finish with a layer of mulch on top. This layer helps hold moisture, lets rainwater pass through, and keeps mosquitoes or pests away from your compost. This layering method keeps decomposition steady and helps nutrients move into the soil naturally. There's also a second, even simpler way if you have an old terracotta pot, even a little broken one. Terracotta walls are porous, so water and compost tea can seep through slowly into the soil. Most pots already have a drainage hole at the bottom, which is perfect because it stops water from accumulating too much and turning the compost soggy. The process is the same. Dig a hole for the pot, place it inside, and fill it layer by layer with compost and kitchen scraps. End with a layer of mulch on top. Over time, the nutrients seep out slowly, enriching the soil around the pot. The beauty of both methods is that they are very low maintenance. You just need to add kitchen scraps or garden waste from time to time and make sure it doesn't dry out too much. The earthworms and microbes inside do most of the work. You get fresh, nutrient-rich compost right where your plants are growing, which means stronger, healthier plants without the extra effort of moving compost from outside. You can start small with 1 or 2 containers for a single plant, or scale it up for a bigger garden. Once you get used to it, this in-bed composting feels natural. It turns your garden bed into a mini ecosystem where composting and plant growth happen together. The soil stays alive, water retention improves, and your plants get a steady supply of nutrients. Honestly, it's amazing how such a simple setup can do so much. 2 old containers, a little effort, and you have a system that keeps giving back to your garden. Either way, the result is the same: a healthier garden, less waste, and a natural way to recycle kitchen scraps. This small composting structure is really a game changer for anyone who wants to keep the garden soil fertile without too much fuss.